Good morning, Wendy. This is James at Burton Chevrolet in Orfordville, Wisconsin. Heather let me know that you were interested in this Redline Malibu, which is gorgeous. I assume you know Redline is an appearance package. It's got the accents around the Malibu symbol there in red. It's got the stripes. It's just really sharp. Very attractive look. The rims are fantastic. I will have to say this is officially the coldest day I've ever done a video. It's minus 26 wind chill, so I'm going to get inside. I'm going to take a look around. So along with the Redline package, what's really great with this machine, it's got the safety package, the convenience 1 and 2 package. So that means you got the driver confidence, lane change alerts, let you know if you're drifting into a different lane, forward collision alert, car will automatically stop if a child or an object is in front of the vehicle, lane assist, pedestrian braking, IntelliBeams. You don't have to put the lights on again. You don't have to hit the blinkers or the high beams on and off. It'll automatically do it for you. You really can't see it. We've got a sunroof, so it's very cool, very attractive vehicle. It's got some really good money off this month. And then if you have a 2007 or newer Chevy in your household, there's actually an extra $750 off. So I don't know if you might qualify for that. I don't know if you might have the GM family discount. So if you can call me, James, at 608-921-8001, and I can get you numbers. I'd love to have you come out and schedule a test drive. I'll actually absolutely make sure it's warmed up for you when you get here. You can also reach out to Heather by email. So I hope to see you soon, Wendy. Have a good day.